Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by matching ports and choosing the right cable because compatibility prevents signal loss. Plug the adapter into the Surface Laptop 3 first. Make sure it's seated firmly. Once connected, attach the monitor cable to the adapter and power on the monitor so the handshake can begin. If you're using the Surface dock, connect the dock power, then attach the dock to the Surface via Surface Connect. Doing this order helps Windows detect the external display reliably and avoids input confusion. Once the monitor is visible, you'll configure how it behaves. Open Display Settings and choose Extend if you want extra workspace or Duplicate to mirror. Selecting a main display determines taskbar and new window placement. Make sure resolution and refresh rate match the monitor's native specs to avoid scaling blur or stutter. Change scaling only if text looks too small. Finally, use Detect or Identify when Windows misses the display, and apply changes. This ensures apps and the desktop layout appear correct. Finish by arranging physical setup and system behavior so your workflow is smooth. Position the monitor, set the laptop lid action if closing, and select the monitor for audio output when needed. Calibrate color briefly if tones look off. If the screen remains blank, first swap the cable or try a different adapter. Faulty cables cause most issues. Make sure graphics drivers are current and reboot the Surface. Doing these checks quickly isolates hardware from software problems and gets you back to work fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.